Come back here.
It's okay, baby. Mommy's here.
Here you are.
Thank you kindly, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We won the lottery! Wow!
Mama, is this our new home? Baba won't throw us out from here now, right?
No one can throw us out from here anymore.
The best dinner ever, Mama. Do you like the lobsters?
I am so sorry. Please